how lab-grown meat is changing the game. Meat is a staple in our diets. But traditional meat production has a significant impact on our environment. But what if we could create meat without the need for animal agriculture? Industrial livestock farming is responsible for deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and water pollution. That's where lab-grown meat comes in. Scientists have developed a process to create meat in a lab using animal cells and a growth medium. This results in meat that looks, tastes, and feels like the real thing, without the environmental impact of traditional meat production. Lab-grown meat has the potential to revolutionize the way we produce and consume meat. So, what does lab-grown meat taste like? According to those who have tried it, it tastes just like the real thing. While lab-grown meat is still in its early stages of development, it's a promising technology that could help us create a more sustainable food system for the future. So, the next time you bite into a burger or a steak, think about the impact your food choices have on the environment. And consider giving lab-grown meat a try. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel.